You being Jamaican, right?
Yeah.
DJ Kool Herc is Jamaican.
Yep.
And he's one of the founders. Why does Jamaica never get its credit as far as being one of the founders of hip hop?
I feel like, first of all, reggae music in itself is I always use this analogy. Martin Luther King, Malcolm X, Bob Marley. Bob Marley did more for bringing people into black culture just as much as Martin Luther King and Malcolm X did. Yes, I understand marching and speaking on podiums, but the music, when you go to Germany, Amsterdam, Korea, Japan, they may not still know who Martin Luther King or Malcolm X is, but they'll know who Bob Marley is. So not just necessarily from a reggae standpoint, I mean, from a, people not representing reggae artists or Jamaican artists, they don't understand how big reggae is in bringing down barriers.
Right.
So yeah, I mean, some of your favorite MCs like Busta, Jamaican, Kool Herc, obviously. A lot of people have Korean background. Cardi B
and Nicki Minaj.
I mean, so Cardi B I think is Trini and Dominican.
Yeah.
Nicki Minaj, that's what I wanted to mention. Nicki is Trinidadian. There's a lot of people, and then now you see the new artists like Shenseea coming out.
Yeah.
Vibes Cartel is like packing out Barclays Center.
Right.
Yeah. I think reggae's influence on not just hip hop, but also on reggaeton, on Latin music, on Afro music, even though you could say reggae came from African-based music, but now reggae has influenced that style. I think Jamaica in a whole carries the culture and the torch for music and everything.